question is like, how many of you get distracted by using ChatGPT? Like you are searching on some subject around NCRT, suppose say science, but you are getting some questions, some advanced topics, right? And then you are not able to keep the track on what you are actually learning, right? And then you get confused and then end up going to back to your book for learning, right? So that is what can be solved using this platform. So basically we named it Vidyaram. So basically is a platform where teachers can upload their documents, and this platform will answer build on that document specifically. We will not go out of those documents to answer your questions. And so let me show you, like the teacher can here upload their documents PDF, right? And you can chat with it, and you can get flash cards, mind maps, and kind of things just by selecting your course. So here you can select your course, like suppose say science, mathematics, or history, and you can interact with that particular PDF, right? And you can interact with speech, and it will respond to you in speech, and you can interact with practice questions, right? Suppose here I am selecting NCRT to chapter 1, right? And if you click on this button, like it will give you summary of that PDF NCRT book. Like it has given me summaries, right? And now here you can interact with it. Like you can ask a question like what is in this PDF, what is in this chapter, right? And this kind of thing. And this is good for instructor because like it will track the students' interaction, like how much time the student is giving on the platform for each chapter, and which question the user is asking for which subject. So that instructor can know like what is the problem area for each individual student, so that it can be taught better in that area. Yeah, that is what. You can check it out, vidyaram.online.